Hello, today I want to talk to you about the best affiliate marketing programs for beginners. Now, it can be really confusing. If you're looking to get started in affiliate marketing, well done for taking that first step because it is a fantastic business model to get involved with. And I truly believe that absolutely anyone can earn money with affiliate marketing. It's just, you really can. And the only thing stopping you is you. But there's a lot of confusion out there. There's so many products. I mean, pretty much every company that you can think of has an affiliate program. And where do you start? Where do you look for a good affiliate program to get started? When you're a beginner, it can be very confusing. So if you like physical products, a good one to go for is Amazon Associates. Yes, Amazon has an affiliate program. I'm sure you've been on, searching for a review on laptops or headphones or whatever it may be, and you've come onto a blog and someone's given a review, or you're on YouTube like this video, you're watching a video review, and underneath the video is a link, and that will take you to Amazon. You go and purchase a product through Amazon. Well, when you do that, that person is earning commission from that sale. It's a great way to get started if you like physical products. It's not something I get involved with for a couple of reasons. One is because the competition is very tough with physical products, and with Amazon there's a lot of the same products listed on there. It can be very difficult as a beginner, I think, to rank for that, and the commissions are very low. I think the best you can get on Amazon Associates is about 12% commission. If you're selling a product for £100 here in the UK, $100 over in for our US friends, then you're not going to earn a huge amount of money. You've got to make a lot of sales of that product to make any decent money. And also, what I like is to build multiple streams of income through an affiliate program. So you're not just focusing on one product. I think if you focus on one product, that becomes a problem, because all products, they have their day as such, and now you'll have peaks and troughs in the sales. And you could be on a good day making loads of sales on the product, and then the next day it just falls flat on its arse, excuse the pun, falls flat on its arse, and then all of a sudden your income goes to nothing because you're focused on one product. It's just not a viable business, not a sustainable business to build it that way. What you want is something that gives you multiple streams of income. I have a couple of my top recommendations for this. One of them is ClickFunnels. If you've not heard of ClickFunnels, it's a funnel building software. If you've not heard of sales funnels, then they are changing the way people buy stuff online. They're becoming massive. Everywhere you look, when you think you're going onto a website, a lot of the time it's not a website you're visiting, it's a sales funnel. And when you purchase, you'll go through to an upsells, downsells and stuff like that. If you've seen them before, you maybe know what I'm talking about. But anyway, this particular software, what it does, it allows you to become an affiliate for that program, and you can promote multiple products within that one program. And not just that, but if you get someone in under your affiliate link, they buy a product, their cookie, and then you get commissions for the other products they buy within the program. It's what I like to call a partnership strategy, and it is a fantastic way of becoming an affiliate for a beginner. The other one is probably even better because it's a training program created by one of my mentors, and what it does is it allows you access to tap into his business, his 8-figure affiliate marketing business. It allows you to tap directly in. He gives you all of his assets. Everything he has is yours to use. You'll understand more about it when you have a look. What I've done is I've put together a training series, which is a 4-day training series. It's completely free. Just hit the link below. It will just give you the basics, get you started. If you are a beginner, it'll get you started. And I talk a lot more about that program in there. And the program I'm talking about is Partner with Anthony. You can go and check out my review videos. If you want to do that, hit the subscribe button as well, because I talk about that program a lot. It's what got me started in affiliate marketing back in 2019. And it is an amazing program. It really is, not just because it's a step-by-step training program and it will teach you literally. I had no idea what affiliate marketing was when I first started, and I joined that program, and it taught me how to set everything up, how to set up email marketing, email campaigns, how to set up softwares like ClickFunnels, how to build sales funnels, and then how to start to scale a business, how to generate traffic, how to drive traffic to the offers. It teaches you literally everything. He brings in some specialists in different fields like Facebook advertising, email marketing, copywriting, all of that stuff, all within the training. Like I said, I talked about it a lot more in my training series, so just hit the link below and go and check that out. But also you can go in there and click the link and it will take you through to the video that he's created that will explain a lot more about the program. But the best part of that is it's the partnership strategy. So to buy into that training program is extremely low price. At the time of recording this is $7. It costs $7 for all of that training. It's incredible. So if you're a beginner, it's a no-brainer. You know, there's a very, very small investment for you to get in. All you need to do is remember that although it's a small investment, you've still put some skin in the game. It's down to you to take action and go and get the job done. If you put the effort in, you can absolutely go and do it. But once you do it, you can then become an ambassador for his program. And then in doing so, you get multiple streams of income generated through that, not just from the products that he creates, but also all of the software products he promotes, traffic sources that he directs people to. You get commissions for everything. He gives you all the commission for everything. Obviously his own products, you get commissions for that, and all you have to do is get someone to buy the low. All you have to do, is become an ambassador of that program, and then you don't have to buy any more products at all. You can just promote the low-end products like PWA, Partner with Anthony, at $7, which is a no-brainer. You can promote that, and then as people progress through their business and they decide, they start to earn some commissions, they want to, go and learn some more advanced stuff in his other training programs or join mastermind groups and stuff like that, then you get all the commissions for it. This is where the partnership strategy is so powerful. It's what I believe is the best model. Like I said, the only ones I know that do that is ClickFunnels and Partner with Anthony, and they're two completely different programs. And actually within Partner with Anthony, not only do you get all the commissions within there for his programs and, like I said, the software, but ClickFunnels is included in that. So if anyone buys ClickFunnels, when they come into that program, you get the commissions, and they're recurring commissions in ClickFunnels. And then once they're cooked into ClickFunnels, you get all the other commissions in that. So you can combine two partnership strategies by buying into one program. It's incredible. It really, really is. It's the way forward. If you're a beginner, you're just thinking about starting an affiliate marketing business, that is where you want to start. I'll put a link below. Go and check out my free training series anyway. That will just give you a little bit more of an insight if you're a beginner. Go and hit the link and watch the video from my mentor, Anthony Morrison, and check out PWA and why it's so powerful. As we call it, it's a no-brainer, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.